motivational tea blend recipe with orange, peppermint, and butterfly pea. When you need a boost of motivation, a refreshing tea blend that awakens your senses and lifts your spirits can make all the difference. This vibrant tea blend combines the bright, energizing flavors of orange, the refreshing coolness of peppermint, and the stunning color-changing properties of butterfly pea flower. Together, these herbs will help promote clarity, boost your mood, and energize your mind to stay focused and motivated. Our ingredients today is 1 tablespoon of dried butterfly pea, known for its mood-boosting properties, vibrant blue color that changes to purple with acidity. We also are going to add 1 tablespoon of dried peppermint leaves, which is energizing, invigorating, perfect for clarity and focus. 1 teaspoon of dried orange peel, which will add a bright, zesty flavor and promote clarity. You can also add 1 to 2 slices of fresh orange for that extra freshness. You can add 1 slice of fresh ginger for stimulating and warming touch. You can also add honey or stevia. The instructions: combine the herbs in a small bowl, mixing together the dry butterfly pea, peppermint leaves, and dried orange peel. Stir the blend gently to combine. To prepare your tea, place 1 to 2 teaspoons of herbal blend into a tea infuser or tea bag. You can adjust the amount depending on your preferred strength. So steeping the tea, bring 8 ounces of water to a boil. Pour the hot water over the herbal blend into your teapot or mug. Let it steep to 5 to 7 minutes, allowing that blue color of butterfly pea to infuse the water. And then you can add your fresh orange and ginger if you choose. Serve and enjoy as you strain your tea into your cup. The benefits: blue butterfly pea is known for its ability to boost brain function, improve memory, support cognitive clarity. It also has a calming effect, which allows the mind to focus without feeling overwhelmed. Peppermint is a natural stimulant that helps clear the mind, improve concentration, and boost energy. It's perfect for improving motivation and focus during work, study, or creative tasks. Orange peel is uplifting, refreshing, providing an invigorating boost of energy while promoting mental clarity. It's also rich in vitamin C, supporting overall health and wellness. Ginger helps improve circulation, warm the body, and provide a natural burst of energy. It also has stimulating effects on the digestive system, which can increase the overall vitality and alertness. This tea blend is perfect when you need an energy boost, a creative spark, or a little motivation to tackle your goals. Whether you're getting ready for a busy day or need a pickup during the afternoon slump, this refreshing, vibrant tea will help you feel clear-headed, ready to take on whatever comes your way. Slip it slowly, feel your energy and motivation rise.